Now, can you monitor your heart rate with the Apple Watch? So, this might seem like a simple question, but let's cover it very quickly here. So, yes, of course, the Apple Watch has a built in heart rate tracker. So, the way that it works is that it is built into the backside of the watch in this circular sensor area. There are more sensors there as well, but one of the most important ones is, of course, the heart rate monitor. You know that the heart rate is being measured by the green lights. So, if they shine green, the backside like that, you can see and know that the heart rate is currently being measured. So, the way that it works is that you don't necessarily have to do anything to initiate it. As long as you keep wearing the Apple Watch, the watch will itself check your heart rate randomly throughout the day. So, for example, if you start moving, it will capture that and it can translate the data into burnt calories. And also, it gives you the insight of the minutes you spend exercising and moving. So, you don't really have to do anything outside of wearing the watch properly. And by properly, I mean not too tight that it would be uncomfortable, but also not too loose so the watch would slide all over your forearm, right? It's not the ideal way. So just make sure it just fits comfortably and tightly on your wrist. And if you do that, the heart rate gets measured automatically. What you can also do is to initiate a heart rate measurement through the app. So you can just open up the app and then you will get a live data of what's going on. But yeah, that's how you can do this. Of course, the answer is yes. If you like this quick explanation guide, go ahead and let me know about that. Subscribe as well for more guides. So I have a lot of other tutorials and videos on this channel. So go ahead and check out those as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.